If you don't find a way to make money whilst you sleep, you will work until you die. And that's from the big man himself, Warren Buffett. Welcome to the Startup Brain TV, where you can learn how to start and run a successful online business working from home or anywhere in the world, so you can finally live the life of freedom and fulfillment that you truly deserve. Hello guys, and welcome back to the Startup Brain TV. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about creating passive income streams, and I'm going to be bringing to you guys my top 5 passive income ideas that can actually make you money while you sleep and run on complete autopilot. Now, a quick disclaimer, I'm not here to tell you guys that you can just start these businesses and they will automatically create money for you overnight. It's not gonna work that way. I think there's a misconception out there that, a passive business is something that just automatically makes you money with no effort whatsoever. Think of it as a business. You can't just open a shop or open a business and expect that business to bring you the customers and make you the money overnight whilst you just sleep and relax. Does it make you money whilst you sleep? Definitely. You're gonna have to do the hard work initially. You're gonna have to do your marketing like any other business. You're gonna have to get the word out there, attract customers, consistently put in the work to make sure that business can then make money for you. So my number 1 passive income idea is using Google Adsense. Okay, so Google Adsense, if you've never heard about it, is when Google pays you for using your platform to advertise for other companies. You've probably seen a lot of pop-up adverts whilst you're browsing something on Google or searching something on YouTube, or even YouTube videos. There's a lot of adverts that actually pop up before so many videos on YouTube. These are companies that have actually paid Google, okay, to use their platform to get them customers. So Google therefore needs people who create similar content. So say for example, my channel is about business and entrepreneurship, and there's a high possibility that you will see a Google advert on a consulting firm popping up on my channel, or probably popping up on my blog somewhere, because my content is relevant to that advert. Google pays you every time someone either clicks on an advert through your blog or your YouTube channel, or maybe they view some of your content. Google can pay you per views, and Google can also pay you per clicks on the adverts. The clicks usually make more money than the views, okay? So in order to get started with Google AdSense, you will need a platform such as your own blog or a YouTube channel. The second passive income idea you can start in 2018 is to create and sell online courses. Now, you can actually create and sell online courses on literally anything out there these days. There's a lot of people out there who are constantly looking for that information that you already possess within you. You already have the skills, you probably have the experience that you need to start an online course, okay? For example, I used my skills and my experience from starting my own online boutique to create the Run Boutique Academy, where I now teach other people how to start their own online boutique from scratch. So look around you. What is it that you're good at? Search your skills. Think about something you're passionate about, for example, that you feel others might benefit from, because people are constantly out there on the internet searching for information. How to lose weight, how to use a waist trainer, how to walk a dog. So figure out what you're good at and see if it's something that people are looking for, and if you can actually build upon that to create yourself an online course and generate yourself a passive stream of income. Now, my third passive income idea is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission from it. And I think a lot of fashion bloggers do this as well. And even I use affiliate marketing here as well. So if I come across a product, if I use a product that I feel you guys might be interested in, then what I will always do is recommend it to you guys and leave a link below. Every time you click on that link, I make a little commission from that company, okay, because I am affiliated to promote your products. So that's how affiliate marketing works. The good thing about affiliate marketing is the fact that you don't need to create your own product, so you don't need to go as far as creating a new course. You can just find a company that already has a course that you probably want to sell and see if they offer an affiliate marketing program. Once you promote that product, the company would then pay you a commission. So commissions could range from 10% to 15% to even as high as 75%, depending on what type of products you're selling. Now, if you want to sell digital products, you can look into platforms like clickbank.com, you can look into cj.com, which also sells both digital and physical products. There's so many platforms out there that offer affiliate programs. Or just look into companies that you're interested in working with and see if they offer an affiliate program, and then find out what the terms and conditions are to become an affiliate and how much you can actually earn. Get promoting the products and make you some money. Of course, you're going to need a platform such as a blog, a YouTube channel, maybe a Facebook page or a Facebook group, just somewhere where you can actually build that relationship, attract customers, and use that as an avenue to also then promote those products. You can't just go out there sending people email spams to buy a product, because it's not gonna work, okay? You need to have a platform where you can build yourself as an authority in that field, so customers can trust you, people can trust you well enough to buy the products that you're promoting to them, okay? My number 4 passive income idea is dropshipping. So you guys know I'm literally like the queen of dropshipping. I'm always talking about dropshipping here in my channel. If you're interested in selling products online and you don't have the money, you can also look into dropshipping. Dropshipping is basically the process whereby you partner up with a supplier who currently sells the products that you want to sell, and then find out if they offer dropshipping services, and if they do offer dropshipping services, you can then start selling the products as though you own them, of course charging a higher price. When a customer buys from you, you keep your profit, and then you pass the order over to your supplier. They ship out the product to the customers with no invoices and labels attached, so your customer will never know those products actually came from the supplier themselves, okay? So that's not a great way to make money passively, because you're not actively involved in packaging, processing orders, and your job is really just to get customers to your website, sit back and make your money. And that's why dropshipping is not a powerful passive income idea out there. If you want to find out more about dropshipping, you can always binge watch my previous videos, and I'm also going to leave a link below to an amazing dropship platform called dropshipfinds.com, where you get access to your own website pre-created for you, a list of suppliers to work with, and literally all the information, the tools and resources that you need to run that dropshipping business. Now, my last but definitely not the least passive income idea is to write an ebook. Now, an ebook is basically an electronic version of a physical book, and the reason why the ebooks can make you money passively is because once you have that ebook written and uploaded to your website or on Amazon Kindle, depending on where you want to sell it, you can start generating money whilst you sleep, because everything is automated. People can actually buy your book and pay for the book and download that book instantly whilst you sleep and whilst you relax. You don't have to go through the stress of printing thousands of copies of the book and then having to package it and ship it out every time someone buys the book from you. So selling ebooks is a great and lucrative way to generate passive streams of income online, okay? Now, similar to online courses, if you're really skilled on a particular subject matter, then you can also look into transferring all that knowledge into a book. Now, an ebook doesn't need to be 300 pages long. I've read so many ebooks out there that are like 20 pages long, 30 pages long, but with so much useful content and straight to the point. So unlike a traditional book where you need to create like 200 to 300 pages of content, you can actually write an ebook that is like 15 to 20 pages long. You can make so much money out of it as well. It's so easy to create an ebook, and you can sell that ebook on your website or even just get started on Amazon Kindle. It's so easy. All you gotta do is upload that book on Amazon Kindle, and Amazon will start bringing you the customers within the platform, okay? Of course, you're gonna have to do a little bit of work promoting your book and spreading the word out there, but it's a great way to make your money work for you and generate a passive stream of income, because you don't need to be present on the internet for people to buy your book. You never ever run out of copies, because it's basically a file you're selling, okay? So people can download this file and make you money whilst you sleep, okay? So thank you guys once again for watching my video, and if you're interested in creating yourself passive income streams and you want to learn more on how to create passive streams of income, and there's a link below to the Income Rip Academy, which teaches you step by step in more detail how you can actually start affiliate marketing, how to start a blog, how to start online courses, how to create and publish your ebooks. So much information there to get you guys up and running. So if you're interested, then I'll leave a link below to the Income Rip Academy. So on that note, I've got a quick announcement for you guys. Now, if you guys don't already know, I'm currently working on my first ever book. So some of you have probably seen that already. Some of you who have subscribed to my email list would have received an email talking about the 21-Day Boss, which is a book that I'm currently writing. So the book is basically going to contain everything that you guys want to find out, as in anything business, based on my experience and based on the questions that I've received from you guys. The 21-Day Boss isn't just a book, it's actually a movement, guys, and a community where you guys can connect and collaborate with other entrepreneurs, ask any questions that you've got, and even get to connect with me directly as well, because I want it to be not just a book but an actual movement and a community to help any struggling entrepreneurs out there start and create a successful online business for themselves. So if you're interested in finding out more about the 21-Day Boss book, I will leave a link below this video where you can subscribe absolutely free of charge for free early bird access to the book and lots of amazing entrepreneurial tips. There's so many useful videos within the platform as well to give you guys a little bit of a glimpse on what you're likely to get in the book. So I don't want to give you guys too much information, but if you're interested, you can find that out down below. There's a link to the 21-Day Boss where you can subscribe for more information on that, okay? So thank you guys once again for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All the best in your business success, and bye for now.